In Sharing with AiCE Parts 1 and 2, I demonstrated sharing AiCE content by sharing a public link and by sharing with a contact. Today, I will introduce you to the AiCE Gem Keyboard. If you are new to content keyboards, you may be surprised to discover that you can access your AiCE gems and collections without leaving the app you are working in. Here's a preview. Pretty cool, right? To enable the AiCE Gem Keyboard, I tap on my initials and then the little gear next to my name. If I tap on the Gem Keyboard tile, I have the option to enable keyboard. Tapping the Enable Keyboard button kicks me out of AiCE to update my phone's settings. Now, I am currently working on an iPhone, so I will be taken to the AiCE settings menu. Here I will tap Keyboards and make sure both switches are activated. I can now use my AiCE Keyboard to share content. Inside my messaging app, I can quickly share the YouTube gem by tapping in the message box, finding and tapping the globe icon in the bottom left-hand corner, navigating to the proper collection, and then selecting the gem I want to share. To enable the keyboard on my Android device, I will start by, again, tapping on my initials, tapping on the gear, tapping the Gem Keyboard tile, and finally tapping Enable Keyboard. I am taken to the keyboard list and default menu within my phone's settings. I toggle on the AiCE Keyboard and tap OK. I hit OK again. I can now use my AiCE Keyboard to share content with my Android. Here inside of the LinkedIn app, I can quickly comment on this video by tapping on the comment box, finding and tapping the keyboard icon right here, and selecting the AiCE Keyboard as the keyboard I would like to use. Now I can navigate to the proper collection and select the gem that I want to share. Now, what makes the AiCE Keyboard so convenient is the fact that I don't even need to have my AiCE app open to share AiCE gems. I've now shown you the 3 ways to share gems with AiCE. Next time, we will look at 4 more AiCE gems: the Link Gem, Scheduler Gem, Text Gem, and the PDF Gem.